Expand. To increase something in size, number, or importance.
That gave us enough capital to pursue more deals and expand the company.
Not well liked, but he was responsible for expanding our lands into the province it is today.
Alter. To change something, usually slightly.
All the courage in the world cannot alter fact.
Alter the exterior from smooth to corrugated. The capsule might have more stability.
Mature. Completely grown physically.
Yeah, she's very mature for her age.
Yeah, well, Kate's mature enough to know that when it comes to men, it doesn't matter.
Sacred. Considered to be holy and deserving respect.
Well, the question he does pose is, if God created the world, how do we know what things we can change and what things must remain sacred and inviolable?
The sacred and ancient festival.
Revise. To change or correct something.
And you see here, we'll have to revise your lesson plan.
I'm going to revise my estimate, Joey.
Pledge. A serious or formal promise.
In exchange for your help, your loyalty, and your services as my personal valet, I pledge to you 1.5% of the net sales price.
The rightful king of Jotunheim, god of mischief, do hereby pledge to you my undying fidelity.
Casual. Not regular or fixed, not formal.
Well, it was very nice at first. Very funny, very casual.
Perhaps as a result of this general silence, I had established a casual and bantering familiarity with the hotel's concierge, a West Continental.
Pursue. To chase or follow someone or something.
And 2, I left Wall Street to pursue my dream and teach.
The police announced today that they're pursuing a ginger-faced man and an angry woman in connection with inquiries.
Unanimous. Agreeing completely about something.
And the winner, by unanimous decision, James J. Fred!
This court has reached a unanimous decision.
Fortunate. Lucky.
Today is a great day when you are here. But today is your most fortunate day.
Now, seeing as I can't convince you to work with my administration in an official capacity inside the White House, I feel damn fortunate to have someone as statesman-like as you leading the movement.
pioneer. A person who is one of the first people to do something.
He's a brave and a decent man. He's a pioneer.
For one brief moment, you can be a pioneer of technology.
Innovative. Using new methods or ideas.
I hope you'll be inspiring us with your innovative thinking for years to come.
See, our mission is to turn ideas into action and to find innovative solutions that will help. Hey, you can't fall asleep.